So, what was happening today under the Bangag administration? They have no respect to our former president, the only president that could make our country clean, the only president that could make our very first national ID for free. And it doesn't happen before. And then they could not respect the people of the Philippines. They could not respect the Filipino people as a democratic country. Guys, this is illegal because the ICC has no right to issue the warrant of arrest because we have already the law. We are not under the jurisdiction of the ICC anymore because we have our own justice system in the country as a democratic country. And they don't have to interfere. They have not obligated to get involved to our justice system. So yan lang po yung masasabi ko and hopefully I might be right.